Hello, this is Robert Badawi from Microsoft. I'll show you how to create a test plan in Azure DevOps to use with the Regression Suite Automation Tool, or RSAT. RSAT helps you automate acceptance testing of your finance and operations app. I'm starting with an Azure DevOps project with 3 test cases. I've manually created each of these test cases. If I were using Lifecycle Services, these test cases are created automatically. Go to Test Plans, create a new test plan and give it a name. Add a static test suite to your test plan. I will name this one Procure to Pay. Then add a couple of test cases to your test suite. For this example, I will select Create Purchase Order and post a product receipt. I will add another test suite to the test plan and will name it Order to Cash. I will also then add the test case Create Sales Order to the new test suite. Open the test case then select the Attachments tab and attach a recording file. I will attach a developer recording that I saved from Task Recorder. Be sure that your test case name and your recording file name are the same. Otherwise, the recording file name must be named recording.xml. Similarly, attach a recording file to all of your test cases. Your test plan is ready. You can use RSAT to automate your tests. Thanks for watching.